What are you doing?
I just stopped by to drop you something off, Jethro.
Looked to me like you were playing agent.
I left you 4 messages today.
Really? I only got 3.
Keller's death was murder, not suicide. It's something I should probably know.
It sounds like you do.
This case is getting more attention by the hour. I trust that you will keep me informed.
Trust is a two-way street.
What are you saying, Jethro? You don't trust me?
Of course I trust you.
Where are you laying there?
Is that all?
For now.
I can save you the trouble. On today's Channel 6 News, per Director Shepard's demands,